add the sum of these 8 questions were given. So these 8 questions we have to add. So without regrouping, all these are without regrouping. So these are 4-digit numbers. Without regrouping we have to do. So here we start first question from ones place to thousands place. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 is a single digit, we keep exactly below to ones place. 4 plus 4, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is a single digit number, so we have to keep below to the tens place. 4. 4 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 we have to keep below to hundreds place. And 6. 6 plus 2, 6, 7, 8. 8 is thousands, below to that thousands place. Then this first question is over. Very easy. So what we did in second class, the same is there, but one place value here. So more one place value increases here, that is thousands place value. Till 100 we did. Now we recapitulate till 3-digit numbers also. And now we are going to discuss 4-digit numbers, how to add. So with example, so we explain how to add without regrouping. The same question again we are going to do 8 questions. So in our activity 2. Now here second question we add from ones place to thousands place. 5 plus 4 first, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now 8 plus 1, 9. Again here 5 plus 4 again, this is also 9. 6 plus 3, 7, 8, 9. 9,999. All are single digit numbers, so we have to keep exactly below to that place what we added. Here. In third, we start from ones to 1000. So first we start from here 7 plus 2, 7, 8, 9. 9 is a single digit, we keep below to ones place. And tens, 7 plus 1, 7 plus 1 is 8. And 5 plus 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is a single digit, we keep below to hundreds place. 6 plus 2, 6, 7 and 8. 8 is a single digit, we keep as it is. Then 3 plus 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 2 plus 6, 2 plus 6, 6 plus 2 same only. 6 plus 2 is easy, then add in that way. 6, 7, 8. That is 8 is a single digit, we keep below to tens place. 9 plus 0 is 9, not 0. So remember this, 9 plus 0 is always 9. 5 plus 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 8. Now, here, 8 plus 1, 9. 7 plus 2, also 9. That is below to tens place, single digit. 6 plus 3, 6 plus 3 also 9. That is also single digit. Exactly we have to take below to hundreds place. 5 plus 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Single digit below thousands place. 7 plus 1, 8. 5 plus 1, 6. 5 plus 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. 4 plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, this 7th also the same, from right to left, that is from 5, ones place to thousands place, 5 plus 1, 6, single digit, then below to ones place. Then 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, single digit, below. 7 in tens place we have to write. 2 plus 1, 3, in hundreds place 3. 4 plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, 8th question, here 3 addends were given, 1, 2, 3. Till here we have only 2 addends, from here we have 3 addends, either 2 addends, 3 addends, not a big problem, so whatever is there, just we have to add all the addends, and what is the answer, that is our sum. 1 plus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 plus 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 4 plus 2, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 plus 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7,988. In this way we have to add all this without regrouping. So these questions, 8 questions we did, more 3 questions were there. That 3 questions here home assignment. Now arrange in columns and find the sum. So here 2 addends were given, here 3 addends were given, 4 addends were given, here 3 addends were given. So whatever addends were given, that addends we have to arrange in column, then we have to add. Then first, ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Here 3,231. This is 3,231. The second one is 234. Means we start from 100, not from 1000. Here only 3-digit numbers were there. We start from 100, from here. 234. So we have to write like this. First we have to check how many digits were given. So according to that we start from that place value only. So if 4 digits were there, starts from 1000. If 3 digits were there, starts from 100. If 2 digits were there, starts from tens. If single digit is there, write in ones column. 1 plus 4 is 5. 3 plus 3, 6. 2 plus 2, 4, and this 3. The first addition is over. Now, this is our 1, 2, 3. 3 addends. Then, first place value is ones, tens, 100, and 1000. 6,241. 6,241. Next, 1,326. Here also it starts from 1000. 1,326. Next, the third addend starts from 100. 432. Means we start from here, 100 space. 432. Now add all these addends. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 2, 8 and 9. 9 is a single digit. No need to regrouping and all. 4 plus 2. 6, 6 plus 2, 9. 9 is a single digit, no need to regroup. 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9. 9 is a single digit, the same. 6 plus 1, 7. 7,999. The next, ones, tens, 100, and 1000. 4,230, first one. 300, it starts from 100. 356 and 230 starts from 100. Now 6 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 plus 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 2, 7 and 4. The next, place values first, ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Here 2,201. 2,201. Here 1,136. 1,136. 102. It starts from 1. 102. Now 60. Now add. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 2, 8 and 9. 6 plus 3. 6 plus 0. 6. 6 plus 3. 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 2 plus 1, 3. Whenever you are going to add, so you have to write your answer exactly. If ones place you are going to add, then write your answer in ones place only, in tens place, in hundreds place, in thousands place. Don't write like this 3, 4, 9, 9. Don't write like this. 9 should be in ones place, and again this 9 should be in tens place, and this 4 should be exactly below 2 in hundreds place, and this is in thousands place. Yes, now the third bit, arrange in columns and add. So here 3 questions were there, 3 sums given. So in these 3 sums we have to add all this in columns, and after that we have to add the same similar questions. See here, first we have to write place values, ones, tens, 100, 1000. First one, 4322. 4322. Next, this also starts from 1000. 1324. 1324. Now you add. First ones place. 2 plus 4. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, 2 plus 2, 2, 3, 4. 3 plus 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. Next, here, ones, tens, 100 and 1000. First, 6381. Starts from 1000. 6381. Next, 2102. 2102. And 1000. And 1000. Right. Now, 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 0, 3. 8 plus 0, any number plus 0, any number, means the same number only, 8. 8 plus again 0, 8. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 0 is 4. 6 plus 2, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9483. This is our sum. First, second, third. 3 addends, and this is our sum. Now here, place values first. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. 3205. 3000 starts from 1000. 3205. Now the second one starts from 331. Starts from 100. 100 means here. 331. Here 22. Only 2 digits. It starts from tens. 22. Next, again 21. 2 digits. Starts from tens. 21. Now add. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 3 plus 2, 4, 5. 5 plus 2, 6, 7. 2 plus 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again this 3. 3579. This is our sum. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 addends, and this is our sum. Add 4378 and 3764. Now, before we discuss about without the regrouping, now we are going to discuss regrouping. When 4-digit numbers are there, then how to regroup and add. So see here, first we have to write the place values first. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Here 2 addends were given. This is the first addend, this is the second addend. Write first addend first. 4378, and second addend 3764. These two. We have to add these two addings. Then, how it is? First we start from ones place to thousands place. Ones place 4. 4 plus 8, 8 plus 4. And you have 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 ones. 12 ones. Here ones will come. Here hundreds. Not hundreds. Ones after tens. Ones after tens. Then this shows ones. This shows tens. And how many ones? 2 ones. 2 ones we have to keep exactly below to this ones place. That is 2 ones. And 1 tens that we keep on top of our tens places. Tens values. That is on top of 7. Then whenever double digit number will come, it means 12 ones. 12 ones means 110 and 2 ones. 110 and 2 ones, it makes 12. It makes 12. In the place of 1, so we have to keep 2 here, and this one we keep exactly the very next place, that is on our tens place, on top of our tens place. Then now we have to add tens places. 6 plus 1. Here it's not 6, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 6, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13, 14. Total 14. 14 tens. 14 tens. First here tens. Here hundreds. This shows tens, 4 tens and 1 hundred. In 14 we keep 4 here and the 1, so whatever in hundreds place, that we keep next place, that is in hundreds place, top of hundreds place, top of 3. Very next place value is 100. In the next place value we have to take 1. Then now we add all this. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 7, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Total 11. 11 hundreds. 11. And then how it is? 11 hundreds means 1000 and 100. 1000 and 100. 1100, that is 1100. Here in hundreds 1 is there. In hundreds place we keep here 1. And in thousands place, very next place, that thousands place we keep 1 more 1 on thousands place on top of thousands place. Now we add all these numbers, all these numerals, whatever there in thousands place. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3, 6, 7, 8. 8 is our answer. In this way we have to regroup. If 12 ones are there, then how to regroup? 1, 10 and 2 ones. This is in ones place, this is in tens place we have to keep. 14 tens means 104 tens. 104 tens, it makes 14 tens. 14 tens. Here in tens place we keep 4 and in hundreds place we keep 1. Then 11 hundreds means 1100. If we add 1100, it is 1100. In hundreds place we have to take 1 and 1 more thousand we keep on thousands place. Now add all these addings. This is our sum after regrouping.